guys, welcome back to another live session by Simplilearn. I'm Kirtana, and in today's session we are going to talk about how to become a data scientist in 2021. Now, there are a lot of aspiring data scientists out there, so I'm sure this video will help you all out. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. We come up with interesting videos every week. So, I see a few people joining in. Let's wait for some more time for more people to join in. I also like to welcome all the viewers joining us from Facebook. Now, I see a lot of people have tuned in. If you have any doubts or queries, feel free to leave a comment in the chat box. We have a dedicated team here who will help you solve your queries. Let's begin our session now. So, for the ones who've joined in now, today's topic of discussion is how to become a data scientist in 2021. So, here are the topics we'll be discussing today. A brief introduction to data science, laying the groundwork for a data science career, a short note on who is a data scientist. Later, we'll discuss the in-demand technical skills for data scientists, and then the salary of data scientists, after which we'll discuss the future of data science and data scientists. So now, let's have a brief introduction to the field of data science. There is no specific definition to describe data science. If you ask 500 people to describe what data science is, you'll probably end up getting 500 different responses because data science is a continually evolving field. Well, under Wikipedia, data science is an interdisciplinary discipline using computational methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to derive information and insights from both structural and unstructured data. In simple terms, data science is the domain of study that deals with vast volumes of data using modern tools and techniques. These tools and techniques are used to find the unseen patterns, derive meaningful information, and make business decisions. The data used for analysis can be from multiple sources and present in various formats. There is a saying, a jack of all trades and a master of none. When it comes to being a data scientist, you need to be a bit like this. But perhaps a better saying would be a jack of all trades and a master of some. Let's now discuss about laying the groundwork for a data science career. Let's now look at some of the prerequisites for getting a data science job. Have a relevant degree. A solid educational background is required to be a data scientist. Pursue an undergraduate degree in data science or any closely related fields like statistics, computer science, or mathematics. After the undergraduate course, a master's degree in one of the relevant areas is an added advantage. Creativity and critical thinking. Creativity in data science is very much needed in this field. You will need it for creating a storyline, for innovative modeling, for developing new tools, different ways to collect your data, and lots more. Parallelly, critical thinking is very useful in data science. A data scientist should be able to develop questions and at the same time question the data as well. Required technical and non-technical skills. We'll be discussing in depth the required technical skills later on in this video. Talking about the other necessary skills in this field, you will need problem-solving skills, risk analysis, and many more. Good communication skills. Having a strong command over your communication skills is very much needed in this field. The outcomes that are delivered through data science are quite complicated and hard to explain. You will have to translate your technical findings clearly and fluently to the other teams. You will need good presentation skills, storytelling skills, writing skills, and listening skills. In short, make sure you focus on building lasting relationships through your communication. Here are some of the roles in the field of data science. data scientist, machine learning engineer, machine learning scientist, data engineer, data analyst, statistician, business intelligence developer, infrastructure architect, enterprise architect, applications architect. Data scientist is most likely one of the most sizzling job titles among the lot. And now, let's talk about who is a data scientist. In simple terms, a data scientist is the one who practices the art of data science. A data scientist analyzes business data to extract meaningful insights. In other words, a data scientist solves business problems through various methods. DJ Patil and Jeff Hammerbacher coined the term data scientist. A data scientist's work typically revolves around data, and his role will be a combination of three main subjects: computer science, statistics, and mathematics. It's time to discuss the in-demand technical skills for data scientists. To become a data scientist, you need various skills as mentioned earlier. Some of the significant technical skills you will need to master include programming. There are several programming languages for data scientists. Learning and mastering at least one of them is essential to realize various functions of data science. But at the same time, just a single language can't solve problems in all areas. Python is the most widely used programming language in the world today when it comes to data science. The next widely used language is R. There are still some data scientists who use R instead of Python. But if you're doing applied data science these days, then you've got to learn Python because that's the most valuable programming language for data scientists. Some other languages include JavaScript, Scala, SQL, etc. Talking about Python programming language, it is open source and easy to use language. You will need to understand the basic syntax of this language initially. You will need to know how to write functions, loops, and modules. You should be familiar with both object-oriented and functional programming in Python. It is a general purpose and dynamic programming language that supports multiple paradigms. One of the factors that make Python stand out from the rest is its flexibility. You can use Python for almost all the steps involved in data science. The next skill we'll be talking about is machine learning. The concept of machine learning has been around for a while now. However, the ability to automatically and quickly apply mathematical calculations to big data is now gaining a bit of momentum. You will need to learn techniques such as supervised machine learning, decision trees, logistic regression, and natural language processing. One of the crucial reasons why you need machine learning in data science is because of the high value predictions that can guide better decisions and smart actions in real time without human intervention. There are in fact a lot of advantages of machine learning in data science. It helps analyze large chunks of data, and it changes the way data extraction and interpretation works. To sum it up, machine learning and data science can work hand in hand. With machine learning being such a craze, data scientists need to learn it. This is why Simplilearn has introduced a revolutionary machine learning certification program that provides advanced level training on the applications and algorithms it uses. We have provided the link in the description box for the same. Do not forget to check that out. Here's to yet another essential skill in data science: math. Mathematics is the bedrock of any contemporary discipline in science. It's one of the major requirements for data science. Some of the major math topics you will need to know are calculus, linear algebra, probability, and statistics. Some other math topics that will help you solve data science problems are discrete math, graph theory, information theory, and many more. Up next we have analytical tools. They help you extract useful, meaningful insights from data and provide you with valuable frameworks for processing big data. Data analysis is a core practice of modern day businesses, and choosing the right analytical tools is very challenging as no tool fits every need. Anyway, some of the most used analytical tools in data science are SQL, Spark, Hadoop, Hive, and many more. Coming to data visualization. It is an interdisciplinary field that deals with the graphic representations of data. Data visualization plays two prominent roles: communicating results clearly to a general audience and organizing a view of data that suggests a new hypothesis of the next step in a project. Some of the data visualization tools are Matplotlib, ggplot, and d3.js. Data visualization encompasses techniques that are used to communicate data or information by encoding it as visual objects that are contained in graphics. Well, as big data keeps growing, data visualization becomes an increasingly crucial tool. Up next, we have data wrangling. This is the process of gathering, selecting, and transforming data to answer an analytical question. It will help the data scientists fasten decision making and hence get better insights in less time. Data wrangling is also known as data cleaning or munging. At last, we have business acumen. When you are a data scientist, you must have more business sense in analyzing the data. In other words, you need to know whether the insights gained from the data is of value to the business or not. Hence, business acumen plays a very vital role in structuring business data analytics. When we are talking about business knowledge, three things come into the picture: general business knowledge, industry-specific knowledge, and company-specific knowledge. Knowing these are very much important when you are a data scientist. So guys, this sums up the in-demand technical skills for data scientists. Well, let's now discuss the salary of data scientists. Before we go into the topic, we would like to introduce our new platform SkillUp, where you can find some of our best courses for free. We are offering more than 1000 hours of content for free, which can help you acquire more than 300 skills across a number of different categories. Take the next step to grow in your career by joining SkillUp by checking out the link in the description. When we are talking about the salary of data scientists, many factors come into the picture. The salary would depend on the experience he or she holds, the industry, the company size, educational background, and finally the region. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a data scientist in India is close to 10 lakh rupees, and that in the United States is close to $1,13,309 in the IT field. The driving factor behind high data science salaries is that the companies and organizations are realizing the power of big data, and they want to use it to drive smart business decisions. Coming to our last topic of the day, future of data science and data scientists. With every passing year, data science is improving and expanding at a significantly faster pace. Data science has found its applications in almost every industry. Healthcare companies are using data science to build sophisticated medical instruments to detect and cure diseases. Video and computer games are now being created with data science, and that has taken the gaming experience to the next level. Similarly, data science has taken various other fields to a whole new level. The top 3 most common search terms in July 2020 are data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. According to the 2020 Emerging Jobs Report, LinkedIn listed data scientist as the top 3rd job with an annual growth rate of 37%. For 4 years in a row, data scientist has been named the #1 job in the US by Glassdoor. Pursuing a career in data science is a smart move, not just because it pays well and is trendy. It is because data is the pivot point on which the entire economy turns. However, you can also go through our video on the topic Tips for Becoming a Data Scientist for more information. We'll link the video on the top right corner for you to access quickly. Also, if you want to master data science, you can always go through Simplilearn's course on data science and excel in this field. With that, we've reached the end of today's topic. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.